chicken chow mein. For every 4 portions, you do like half a pound of chicken. You can use pulled rotisserie if you want to cook it super fast, or you can use thinly sliced fresh chicken breast cutlets, which is what I did. I used fresh chicken breast, cut it real thin. The chow mein noodles, we bought ours right online. These are them. They cook in just 3 minutes, and then you cold shock them and let them stand until you're ready for them. And once you take the chicken out, okay, we can brown it, or again, you can just use a store-bought rotisserie chicken and reheat some pulled meat. We throw in half a cabbage, a couple of carrots, and now this is not necessary, but John, my whole family really, we don't eat anything without garlic. So I put in some crushed garlic as well. And we're working in the residual peanut oil, which is what we cooked our chicken in. Super thinly sliced chicken with just salt and white pepper. Salt and white pepper, that's all that's going on, okay? I have some chicken bone broth getting warm back here, and we're gonna do 2 things with it. Watch this. It's a little weird, but this is just like we're making carbonara, okay? Here's a large beaten egg, and I'm gonna add some bone broth to it to temper the egg. So when we make the chow mein sauce and add the egg, it doesn't turn into scrambled eggs. I'm also gonna put a splash, fat splash, into about a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is a double thickening agent. I rarely do this, but it is traditional for this dish. And then I leave a little warm broth on the side, JIC, just in case, right? The dish is looking dry, I add a little bit more. So this is half of a large cabbage. It's about 1 pound. And this is a large carrot. You can use 2 small carrots, peeled in julienne. And as I said, my family, they want garlic in everything. So I put some crushed garlic. This is our sauce that I've whisked up. It's 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Now, you know me, I just turn the bottle sideways and count to 4 if I want 4 tablespoons, right? I didn't really measure this. It's in the ballpark, okay? Then we have 2 tablespoons of dark soy, 2 tablespoons of light soy, 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of dark sesame oil, and about a teaspoon, a good sprinkle of sugar. Then we just whisk that all together so it's well combined. Now we're going to add, I took out all of my trumpets, my green onions that I shredded the ends and let them curl up in icy water, some bean sprouts. Now at this point, we barely combine this for a minute or 2, okay? We're gonna start incorporating our drained noodles. These cook for 3 minutes, or to package directions. Your package might be different than the one I bought. But these are chow mein noodles that I bought online. We're going to try and toss this gently. I have a little more noodle than you will have. I cook for my mom and my sis too. So I bought a little bit extra noodle for them. So we fold that all together and let the noodles heat up again. And we want to distribute the cabbage and the julienne carrot and the green onion equally throughout the dish. We're gonna add that glorious lacquer, that beautiful sauce, and our tempered egg. I also took a little bit of the broth that we tempered our egg with, and I added it to a dab of cornstarch and made a little slurry. So we put all that together, and it's gonna marry this dish in such a beautiful way. Back goes the chicken, and then we just toss all of this glorious flavor together. So here it is, guys, chicken chow mein, woo!